If you want to make your Word document look professional, don't leave just blank space for signature. Microsoft Word have got built-in option called signature line, and in this video I will show you how to use it properly. Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Technoholic, and this is part 2 of my Microsoft Word signature series. In part 1 we saw how we can import handwritten signature in Microsoft Word, as you can see here. If you want to follow that, then do check out the video link that I already have in description. Alright, now let's talk about this video where I'm gonna show you how you can add signature line instead of writing this manually. Well, Microsoft Word have got this dedicated option available inside Insert tab. So all here we need to do is we need to go to Insert tab, and then here if you go toward the text, here you're gonna see this signature line. Alright, so let's click on it, and then the following dialog box will appear. Now here you need to write the suggested signer name. For example, I'm gonna write my name, and then suggested signature title. Let me write here YouTuber, and then here my email. And then here I'm gonna also allow this option which says allow the signer to add comment in the sign dialog. Now as you hit OK, and there you go, Word have inserted a proper signature line inside your document. Now you might be wondering what this X mark indicate. Well, this simply means you need to sign here. So if you print this document, the person sign on this line. And if you want to sign inside Word, simply make double click on this signature line. You can see that I now can also insert my signature image as well. So let me select my signature image, and now here you can see it is now being added. And then here you can also describe the commitment type. For example, you want to approve this document, and then you also can define the purpose of signing this document. So I'm gonna say example. Now let's click on sign, and let's also click on yes, and there you go. So here you can see my sign is added, and then I also have added a digital certificate here. Now as soon as I signed it, you can also see this document now became non-editable. So in this way we just define the signature area, but we also have added a digital signature as well. And as soon as we have added our signature, you can see that this whole document now became read only. Now next time I open this, it will still be read only, and then I can see here it says this document contain recoverable signatures. Alright, so if I click on view signature, now here I can see the digital footprint of my signature. But for most of users, this feature is mainly useful for creating a professional signing area in your document. And that's also wrap up this video, and I am hoping that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office and office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.